Do you want to know the secret of SEO? There's no secret at all. It's just common sense. Brands that rank high on search engines have great content. They address their target audience's search intentions and take the time to optimize their sites from a tech viewpoint. But certainly very few people who engage in SEO or build websites think carefully about SEO or have a strategy in place to embrace it successfully. Now I'm going to give you secrets that will drive your website or blog from good to awesome.
I've got something for your mind, your body, and soul.
I'm Caria, the creator of the Caria Show and a digital strategist with nearly 2 decades of experience in marketing and communications. My mission is to help you achieve and exceed your marketing goals through a tailored digital strategy for your business and be your digital coach. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, and if you don't already, feel free to follow me on social media because, well, it's free. Now, if you didn't know already, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization, which has seen some great changes in the last few years. The biggest is Google's push towards stronger user experiences. Now, user experience, UX, focuses on having a deep understanding of users, what they need, what they value, their abilities, and also their limitations. It also takes into account the business goals and objectives of your company and brand. Now, the practice is to improve the quality of the user's interaction with and perceptions of your product, such as your website and any related services. It's difficult to imagine that only 10 years ago, SEO was a discipline governed by black hat SEO marketeers whose sole purpose was to increase rankings and drive traffic. Now, black hat SEO goes against search engine guidelines and manipulates them to gain higher rankings. These are mostly unethical tactics that don't solve anything for the person searching, and unfortunately they often end in a penalty from search engines. Now, black hat techniques, if you didn't know, include keyword stuffing, cloaking, and using private link networks. It can lead to being completely wiped from search results or gaining a lower position. Now, white hat SEO, on the other hand, is a more ethical way of doing SEO by creating quality content and providing better user experiences. Here are the SEO secrets that digital marketing agencies follow that you can do on your website or blog to make your life a little easier. Remove broken links. This is an important step. Just go through your website on a regular basis and check if any of the page links are broken or showing a 404 error and replace them. Now, search rankings depend heavily on relevant content that earns high quality from good sources with good anchor text. When you make your site, don't just think about the value of content to users and searchers. Think about the value to a select group of users who own websites and can create links to your website, like bloggers, small business owners, the press and media. Getting content, keywords, site architecture, and technical details like sitemaps and RSS feed is fairly easy. Earning good links is pretty hard, but when you do, you'll have an unfair advantage over your competition. Now, I do a deep dive in my link building boss course. If you're interested, please subscribe to my channel and like this post and make a comment below #linkbuildingboss so that I know that you're interested. Avoid orphan page. Now, pages shouldn't be left without interlinking in your website. Now, no links to other pages within your website means you're restricting its search engine visibility. Keywords. Now, check keywords that are missing out in your content, but your competitors are ranking high from. Use those keywords in your website content. Navigation. Now, easy navigation is important, so it's easy for browsers to scroll through your website and find the relevant information. And you'd be surprised how many people don't have easy navigation on their websites. Upgrade your posts and pages. Now, update your old posts and pages on a regular basis depending on its page performance. You can check this by using Google Analytics. Check that it's performing well on the basis of how much traffic and leads you're receiving for that web page. Avoid targeting the same keyword. Now this is really important, to avoid targeting the same keyword repeatedly on different web pages. In the long run, try to target different keywords for a more effective approach. Before you leave, here's a word of caution. Stop overthinking it. There's no secret to SEO. Just focus on your browser's needs and answer their questions. And I've said this before, once browsers land on your website or your blog, you still need to have consistent information, products and services to convert them before they move on. Remember, nearly 70% of browsers never return to your website or blog. And in my social media playbook course, I give you digital marketing agency tips to make sure that you turn your browsers into paying customers and even repeat customers over time. I also have a bonus of 21 SEO secrets that digital marketing agencies use. You can find the link to the social media playbook course in this post or on my bio, or visit cariawatt.com. And remember to like and share this with a friend who could use a helping hand. Why? Because Caria cares about women helping women and men who could use a helping hand. What's your one takeaway from this week? Reach out in the comments below and let me know if you've got any questions or any topics you'd like me to cover. Until next week, peace.